Capital One Venture rewards are surprising. Explain what you get for your money. Looking for a simple, high-reward card for travel? The Capital One Venture Rewards card makes earning and redeeming points straightforward, without complicated categories. Most people get this wrong by thinking rewards are hard to use, but with Venture, every dollar spent earns 2 miles, and redemption is simple. Miles can be redeemed for travel statement credits, transferred to airline partners, or even used for hotel bookings. For example, spending $500 per month earns 36.0 miles annually, enough for a round-trip flight within the US. Card also includes no foreign transaction fees, making it perfect for international travel. The card comes with the annual fee, which is offset by a global entry or TS Saprichek credit and the high rate of mile accumulation. Travel protections such as trip delay reimbursement, travel accident coverage, and rental car insurance provide extra peace of mind. In conclusion, the Capital One Venture Rewards USA card is ideal for travelers who want a simple, high-earning card with flexible redemption options. Whether you're booking flights, hotels, or using miles for statement credits, this card turns everyday spending into meaningful travel value.